Hi guys, welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today I had that a craving, a childhood craving for some peanut brittle, and I said I haven't done this in a long time, and I haven't eaten it in a long time. So let's make some peanut brittle. So everything moves really fast when you're making a peanut brittle, because once that sugar melts and everything gets going, it's really fast. So you prepare everything ahead of time. Make sure that everything is prepared ahead of time. So let's go to those ingredients and let's put it together. Let's get our ingredients prepped and ready to go. So first we need a heavy bottom pot. It must have a good thick bottom, because you don't want a thin pot to do any sugar or candies in. So because it can scorch and start to burn pretty quickly. And we're gonna always use medium heat. So I have a nice pretty thick pot here, and we're gonna put our mixture in there. Prepare the pan, your baking sheet that you're going to use. I butter it, and then I'll sort of line it with some parchment paper, and I'll butter the parchment paper also. So you get all of this out of the way, because once we start to make this peanut butter, it's going to move very quickly. So that's buttered. Okay. And the other ingredients we need 2 cups of peanuts. I have some cashews in there also. I'm going to try that. I never did that before, but I have like a half a cup of cashews all mixed in there, which I had available. So 2 cups of nuts. We're going to use some simple syrup. We're going to use a light corn syrup. Like 1 cup of light corn syrup, 3/4 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of butter. Salt, a teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Some vanilla. We're going to use some vanilla, and we're going to use some not cornstarch, baking soda towards the end. So now we need 2 cups of granulated sugar. So let's get that. So we also need a candy thermometer. A candy thermometer tells you when to put certain things in. Once it gets to 250, we'll put our butter in. When it gets to 280, we'll put our peanuts in, and then when it gets to 305, we take it off. So we'll stick our candy thermometer, just clip it on in here. And the other ingredients. Now, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of granulated sugar, half a cup of water. I'm going to also list everything in the description box for you. 1 cup of light corn syrup, or the fructose corn syrup is much sweeter than the regular corn syrup. So you may want to use like just the regular corn syrup, and don't go for the fructose corn syrup. Or you can use any other syrup that you have available, but you need a cup of syrup. We do a cup. Pour it all in. So you're going to get a wooden spoon, and or you can use a wooden or silicone silicone spoon or silicone spatula. But remember, we're working with high heat, so once this comes up, you don't want anything metal in there because it's gonna transfer heat very quickly, and you might be in a little problem with your fingers. So so now we'll get this pot on the stove and get the sugar all melted, and I'll be back. And now you stir constantly until the sugar is melted. And once the sugar is melted, you can leave it alone for a few minutes until it starts to bubble up and and the temperature starts to rise. So our next step would be, when it gets to 250, you have to keep an eye on the thermometer. When it gets to 250, we'll add our butter, carefully add the butter, and we'll stir. So once it starts to starting to bubble here, we got to keep an eye on the thermometer. It's going to be a lot of frothy, really frothy. But you just keep stirring. And I should advise you, no kids should be around here, because boiling sugar is really, really hot, and you don't want any accidents to happen. So kids away from the kitchen when you're making anything with sugar, and you have to boil sugar. So it's going up. It's now 200. It's now 200. At 250, we're going to add our butter in. So once it gets to 250, I'll be back. And now the color, you see the color is starting to change. It's 250, and now we'll carefully add the butter. The butter is going to froth a little, and it's going to drop that temperature down a little. So once that butter is melted in there, the temperature is going to go down a little. And you just wait until the temperature comes back up to 280, and then we put our peanuts in. Just give it a little. It's now at 280. We put our peanuts in. We stir them because they're going to clump up a little. Stir them until they're loose again. At this point, we add our salt. That salty caramel flavor that we love. Just add our salt. and it's at 300. Add the vanilla. Shut it off, and we'll remove it from the fire. Sprinkle the baking soda in there and continue stirring. At this point, I'm going to remove the thermometer because we don't need that anymore, and just keep stirring. Then we'll just pour it onto the sheet. And just spread it out. Use the back of your spoon. Spread it out because it has to be thinner than the peanuts. Because you know how the peanut brittle is. So we spread it out very thinly. And we give this like 45 minutes to get to set. 45 minutes to set. And once it's set, we can break into it. And it's as simple as that. Peanut brittle. So we just let this set 4 to 5 minutes to an hour, and then we'll be back to break into it. Well, after about an hour, I gave it an hour, we'll just get it out of the pan now. This is so as you can see, it's nice. It's set really well. It's nice and sturdy. Let's peel the paper off. Then you can go ahead and just break this up just however you want to. Whatever designs you like, or that's it. It's wonderful. See the peanuts in there? And this disappears once you put it out. It just goes. Oh, everyone loves it. And everyone loves it. Lovely nuts in between there. Awesome. Awesome. There's no special way to break them up. You just break them up. However big, however small you want them. And I would usually give some as gifts. Just make a little package, tie it up, and give it as gifts. Or if I have a nice little box. Just put them together, and it's a wonderful gift idea also. Awesome. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip. The peanut brittle. It's awesome. It's to die for. Have a wonderful summer. I'll see you in the next clip.